This is my 2004 Jeep Cherokee Laredo WJ. Big shout out to Olaf jonesek for giving me the props on how to wire my halo lights. It was pretty simple and to the point, and I really like how he did the hold up a second, how he gave me the wire instructions to get my signal lights to coincide with the LED lights. Pretty cool. Go check him out. He has it's a good instructional video. It's more direct than even the instructional video that comes with the lights. If you like, hit the subscribe button. Check out Spec Tuning. Big shout to Spec Tuning. Nice lights. So if you like it, hit me up and I'll show you how to get there. Peace.